We all know that there is a lot of blockchain going on right now. Each chain has its own system and writing language, but when each chain has to communicate, it is not possible immediately, which requires the system to be reconnected. Nowadays, developers need to come up with systems that need to be connected in more different ways. Each method is difficult to do, so that users are not confused and numb during use. One way developers have invented it is to build a cross-chain bridge, also known as bridge, but to cross into different chains and ecosystems, there are many tricky steps, such as learning another chain. The difficult steps that have taken place have also put a huge burden on developers because they are not done once and then ended. Developers need to keep the system updated more often. If the other chain is modified to solve the blockchain connection problem here. Axelar has proposed two protocols, CGP and CTP, making the connection between two blockchains more easier, comparable to plug and play. What are the CGP and CTP? Firstly, CGP is a protocol that is responsible for cross-chain or overseeing blockchain connections, whether it is locking, unlocking, and transferring tokens between two chains with different systems, which seems like an APIs that connect one software. Next, the CTP is a protocol that works similarly to CGP, but it works as a layer next, which is the dApps level, in other words, when there are dApps between the two chains that want to communicate with each other. The CTP performs this part of the function, allowing both locking, unlocking, and transferring tokens.